This computer is on but no display on the screen. Just see. You see everything is working fine, the fans are working, but no display on the monitor. So let's watch to the end and see how to solve this problem. So this stage is what we call troubleshooting. You don't know what is wrong at this point in time, but you want to find out. So you troubleshoot the necessary components, which is the RAM, the SSD, the GPU, the CPU, the CMOS battery. So you check rand, you remove them, you see if it will display. So here he suspects the RAM first. The RAM, so let's see. Please watch it to the end. You will know how to solve this problem if it happened to you at home with your PC. So you remove the first RAM stick. As you suspect the RAM, you remove one, you see. Then you know if it will display. If you remove one, then you power it. If no display, then you remove the second one. If there's no display, then it means your RAM is working fine. Then you have to troubleshoot another component. Please subscribe if this is your first time. Turn on your notification bell so that you get updates of my videos. And please also share this video. It will be of help to somebody. So he suspect the CMOS battery, but it was not. And now the CPU. He suspect the CPU. So the CPU is the problem here. So when doing this, also remove your CMOS battery. It's very important. So he want to replace the CPU, the processor. Want to bring in new one. And you see everything is going to work fine. So these are to troubleshoot. The system is working fine, you see. So he replaced the CPU. So the CPU was actually the problem. It's working fine now. All right. You can do this by yourself. So when you have no display, suspect your GPU, your CPU, your RAM, and also remove the CMOS battery. Sometimes it can be your CMOS battery, the smallest component. And sometimes it can be your power supply. If your power supply is not supplying the full voltage, it can also make it not to display. So you want to clean up the PC. So when you are doing this, use the opportunity to clean your PC if your PC is very dirty. All right. Please subscribe and make sure you share this video. Share it and comment. Say something about this video on the comment section.